Mihango ya gwethana na miri makiria mwena wa Solai ne igirire thiku ya gatano umuthi guku mwiri wa mwana wa ukuru wa miaka 8 ukionekana mugunda-ini wa kahua. Kumana na kuhithukio kwa mwiri uyu namba ya aria makuite ni ongererekete na gukinyeria andu 46 uhoro uria wikiritwo mukonde ni komanda wa Rift Valley Mwongo Chimwaga.
Search and rescue team which had been scaled down recovered one body estimated about 8 years of a male boy, 8-year male boy. That brings the tally to 46.
Na ko nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri ya Naikuru mihango ya gukura na miri no irathie na mbere. No na kuri o uguo ni kumana githagathago thutha wa family igiri gukorwo ikigucaniria mwiri wa muiritu umwe uria wakuire mutino-ini uyu.
Wakati nilikuja ndugu yangu Tomadhiwa, nikakuja hapa nikaona mtoto yake moja. Ilikuwa siku ya Alhamisi jioni. Haya, nikachukua nikatambulisha akaweko. Sasa leo nimekuja nimemkuta tukiwa na hii mwenzangu wenye tulikuwa. Mimi siko peke yangu. Sasa naambiwa ate ni ya mwingine. Sasa sijui nifanye nini.
Tumeshatabua sasa mtoto ni yeye. Lakini ametabuliwa na watu wawili sasa hivi. Familia ngapi zinasema mtoto? Hii ndio wanasema mtoto ni yao. Ako na miaka 6.
O mihango ino igithiaga na mbere, kamiti ya bunge ya Senate giugitiri ni yuritie thirikari kuthira gicunje gia ciringi bilioni 1 iria ciarutirwo guteithia aria mahonokire kuma mutino-ini uyu na aria kwa ihinda riri maraikara thukuru-ini wa Solai. Igitongoria mwikariri giti wayo Seneta wa Garissa Yusuf Haji, kamiti iyo ni yendekithitie gwikwo thuthuria wa naihenya na kiria kiacungiriirie mutino uyu gukuranwo.
We have found here so many people, elderly people, women with small children, young children, all cramped together in this compound. We are concerned that any time there could be some outbreak of diseases. So it is not conducive for them to continue staying here. The government should find a way of dispersing them as soon as possible.
Several statements have been taken and we expect more. And in due course, I think once the investigations are complete, then we shall establish whether there is culpability here and therefore charge the people who should have been charged for either negligence or whatever else we find.
Ihinda-ini riu gikundi kia athomi kuma kaunti-ini ya Naikuru ni kendikithitie mutaratara wa guthaitira mogwati uria gitanyite gutwara bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Naikuru. Ungihitukio mutaratara ucio ni uguteithiriria guthondeka kigina kiria kirithaitagira mogwati riria mahanika.
We've spoken with the county assembly minority leader, Honorable Peter Palanga, and he has agreed to table the bill into the assembly as soon as possible.
Muthenya wa gatatu kiumia giki mahoya ma kibururi ni magatabanio rita njira ya kuririkana aria makuire kumana na mutino uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njita Kamau wa Mwangi.